Okay.
So it's all about the angle of the blade and the width of the blade. So if you go this way, it'll make it flat. If you go this way, it's not going to do anything. So it has to have the right angle of the blade. And you're just slowly sliding across the stone. And you have a little bit of oil on the stone. The key is to have a really good stone. And they make stones in different coarseness. Some are very coarse to start, and some are very fine to finish. This is more of a finishing stone. It's kind of smooth and not a lot of weight, just the angle. It's all the angle so that you're putting the right bevel, because a knife goes this way and then goes this way to the point. We want to make sure we're sharpening this part, not this part. Okay. And if we're in this part and you go too much, then you start rolling it. So it's just a kind of a...
Is this a sugar?
No. Sugar is right here.
And what is this?
Salt. Sugar's there, and there's
And
more in the
this is honey. It's called honey oil.
Yes, and any kind of a little machining oil will work.
Okay. And what type of wood is that? Stone is that?
I don't know what kind of stone it's made out of, but this is a old system that Henry had.
Easy to use stone.
So you want to get a soft Arkansas, is what this one is, a soft stone.
Smith.
There's more sugar behind you in the cupboard.
All right. Okay. And how long does it take to sharpen it? For about...
Until it's sharp. It depends on how dull it was. So, like this one is my... You can see the shine on the edge.
Yeah.
So it's
And
in
mine,
there.
can you do it with mine?
Not yet.
Alejandro, our son, gets his stones for his knives